god, it's been a while. Holy smokes. Okay, did it fix it? I think so. I'm very nervous right now. Why, hello designers, how's it going? I hope you're doing great. I haven't talked to you in a while and it feels very weird going back to YouTube. Been contemplating coming back for a very long time now, but every time I gave myself an excuse. So I'm back right now and I'm going to try and be consistent as much as I can. I know that consistency is something I struggle with very much, and I'm hoping you'll forgive me if I'm not as consistent as I want to be. Every time I come back, I give like an excuse saying that, or you know what, I don't give an excuse, I just say, oh well, this time is going to be different, or this time I'm back for good, and it just never happens. So I'm just going to call it as it is. I'm going to try, and you know what, try is not good enough, but I'm going to film whenever I can, and I hope that you'll accept me back here on this platform. I have missed recording on YouTube because it had like an artistic value to it, and I have you guys, which is honestly the biggest blessing of all. Like, having a platform and a community, no matter how big or small, is something that's very unique, and we are so lucky to have the opportunity to create a community that understand what we go through and what we struggle with. So yeah, my cat is trying to get into the room. So yeah, let me give you an update, because I know that not a lot of people will watch this video because you're mostly interested in my tutorials, or if you're interested in my interior design content, which is, by the way, if you're interested in any particular subject, drop it in the comments down below so I can see it and hopefully create a video as soon as possible. So yeah, giving you an update. There's not much, except I have been traveling a lot lately, which is amazing. I've traveled to Malaysia, I've traveled to France, I've traveled to Italy, and that honestly is always just the best thing ever. I cannot even tell you how much I enjoy traveling and seeing other cultures and tasting other foods, and it's just overall, it's just the best experience. And yeah, last year on the 1st of December I crashed my car. I knew is that I was inside of a column and the airbags open. So I don't know if you're even interested in hearing this. What else? I've been working on a lot of different projects, and I've been finding it really hard to finish. Maybe me opening up about it and telling you that this is exactly how I feel, maybe it will help somebody else also feel like they're not alone, which is, by the way, everybody goes through phases in life. Sometimes you really kick some butt, and other times it's just hard to exist. And you just need to be kind to yourself, and I'm telling this to myself as well, because I always have this voice inside of me telling me that, oh, you're not doing enough, oh, you haven't posted in a long time, oh, people are not going to remember you, the next time you post a video you're gonna lose a lot of subscribers. And I know this to be a fact, and I am okay with it at this point. I understand that I have like neglected this community on YouTube for a long time, so I understand if you don't all understand what I'm saying. What else? I also started working with brands. I started advertising for furniture brands, which is something that I thought that would always be very hard for me to do, because like by the end of the day it's hard to like promote. It feels like you're still out, but I worked with brands that I actually love, although some of these brands gave me a really hard time and they delay payments like way too much. I'm gonna name names. But yeah, working with brands, advertising on Instagram has been quite a journey. Also, we got a notice to move away from this house, which is, by the way, we're renting this house, and we got a notice that we have to, you know, by the end of May we have to clear everything out of here, because the owner wants to live here, and that has been very heartbreaking. One of the reasons why I couldn't go back, it's because like I don't want to see this and like feel like I miss this house. Hopefully we'll move on to a better house. But yeah, I think these are the updates that I have for you. Let me know what kind of topics you want me to talk about down below. I have few topics prepared, so hopefully I can film a couple videos today and maybe like you'll enjoy them. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for staying, and my deepest apology for not being as consistent as I want to be. I wish you all the best time of the day wherever you are in the world. Bye.